Welcome to the Law Offices of Chris M. Ingram. We are delighted that you've joined us for this presentation on the benefits of the E2 investment visa. We have put together an amazing series of videos designed to explain the requirements of the E2 visa as clearly as possible. Our goal is to put you in the driving seat so that you can decide for yourself if this great opportunity is right for you. Think about it. In less than 3 months from now, you could be living your American dream. So let's get started. What is an E2 visa? In essence, the E2 investment visa allows aliens to invest in the American dream by starting a business that will create new American jobs, or they can buy an existing business that will sustain and hopefully create even more American jobs. Having aliens bring their investment dollars to America in order to create jobs is great for the American economy. As you can imagine, the need for energetic job creators has never been greater. How much should I invest? The E2 visa requirements does not stipulate a minimum or maximum amount that should be invested. Instead, the principle is that the amount must be sufficient to create or sustain the equivalent of at least 2 full-time jobs for Americans, plus generate a good income for the investor to live on. Even though no legal minimum investment has been stipulated for the E2 visa, the higher the overall investment, the more likely the investment will indeed be sufficient to create or sustain the required number of jobs and generate a good income for the investor. For guidance purposes, you should be looking to invest at least $75,000. However, investments of between $125,000 and $250,000 tend to be more successful over the long term. It's also fair to say that some American embassies in Asia and other territories may reject cases where it is deemed that the investment amount is simply too low, even at $75,000. Therefore, investors from these regions should be looking to invest significantly higher amounts. What type of business should I invest in? We get asked this question all the time, and the answer is you can start or buy just about any business. If any particular licenses are required, you must be able to demonstrate that you will be able to get them upon your E2 visa approval. If you are looking to buy a business, we always encourage our clients to buy a business that has been going for at least 5 years and has good financial records. You should also consider hiring an accountant to review the available financial information. Success rate. We win the vast majority of our E2 cases. Indeed, well over 90%. Whilst our past successes cannot be a guide or guarantee that we'll win cases in the future, hopefully our past successes gives you an appreciation as to our dedication as we ensure the very best outcomes for our clients. Indeed, if we feel that you do not have the right type of case we can win, we will tell you from the first consultation so that you can explore other options. In the next presentation, we'll discuss how you can determine if you are eligible to apply for the E2 visa, which is based on your current home citizenship. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed this presentation.